In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your homepage from Yahoo to Google Chrome. We all have our preferred search engines, and sometimes they just change on us without us even realizing it. If you've suddenly found yourself seeing Yahoo as your homepage every time you open your Chrome browser and you'd prefer Google, don't worry. I'll guide you step by step to make that transition smooth and effortless. The first thing you'll need to do is open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once you're in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see three little dots stacked on top of each other. This is your menu icon. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, you'll want to select Settings. This is where you'll find the controls and options you need to customize your experience on Chrome. Once you've clicked on Settings, you'll notice a list of categories on the left side of the page. Look for the section labeled Search Engine and click on it. This area is dedicated to everything search-related, and it's where we want to focus our attention for this task. Now, when you're in the Search Engine section, you'll see an option that says, Search Engine Used in the address bar. Next to this text, there will be a drop-down menu. Click on that menu to see the list of search engine options available to you. This step is crucial because it allows you to personalize your search experience. Inside this drop-down menu, you might see several different search engines listed. What you're looking for is Google, so just scroll through until you find it. Once you spot Google in the list, click on it to select it. By doing this, you are telling Chrome that you want it to use Google as your go-to search engine whenever you type something into the address bar. And there you have it. You've now successfully switched your default homepage search engine from Yahoo to Google in your Chrome browser. Each time you open a new tab or search for something in the address bar, Google will be the tool to help you find what you're looking for. It's a simple change, but for many, it makes a significant difference in efficiency and convenience. If you ever feel like exploring more options or making further adjustments, remember that the settings menu is always there to help you tailor your browsing experience just the way you like it. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.